Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Coding with Ankit. Today's topic is board path. Let's get started. So today what we'll learn about how to generate all the path related to board and then return those path in array list. Let's consider we have this board path starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and then we will have a dice. With a dice, we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know that. We'll start from 0 and then we have to reach to any specific number. Here you can consider we have to reach 10. So we can have multiple possibility. If you roll the dice, you will get 1. Then you will go to, from 0 you will go to 1. Then if you roll the dice, you will get 3 or 4. Then you will add that number. Let's say you get 4, then you will add 1 plus 4, it will become 5. Then you will reach to 5. If you get 2, then you will reach to 3. Like that, there are multiple possibilities. You can see here one example. If we get dice, if we get 5 times 2, then we will reach 10. If we get 3 times 3 and 1 1, then we will reach 10. If we get 2 times 4 and then 2, then also will reach to 10. So there are multiple possibilities. So what we have to do, we will generate all the possible path on the game board from the current position, and that position will be 0 to the end of the position using the dice rolls. You can see this one more example. I'm starting with 0, that's our current position. If I get 1 from the dice, I will reach to 1. If I get 2, then 2. Like that for all 6 I have mentioned here. After that, if you reach to 1, let's consider you got the roll as the 1, then you reach to 1. After that, if you get 6 and 3, then also you reach to 10. If you get 5, 4, then also you reach to 10. Like that, there are multiple possibilities. If you reach to 10, 2, then also there are multiple different possibilities. Like that, you can see till 6 we have different possibilities. So we have to generate those paths and then return that as a array list. Let's write this logic in. I'm using Java language. So first we will start with current position will be 0 and last position will be we have to reach, we will consider 3 right now. I will create a separate method, public static void. In void we have to return array list, so I will name it as return as array list string, method name as board path. Here we will have 2 pointers. First one is current that we have to pass. Second, where we exactly we wanted to reach. We can name it as end. We have to reach till end, and we have to find all the path to reach the end. First, we'll create array list. That's our main result, and we will return this array list. And inside this, we have to set our paths. How we'll set it? We have to roll our dice, and from dice we will get different numbers. So for that, I will create a for loop dice starting with 1 dice less or equal to 6. So it will increment till 6. So once we roll our dice, we'll get some number. That number we will add with current number. How we will add it? We will first try to generate the path for that. We will call the same method current plus dice comma end. We will add this dice number to current and then we will try to reach at the end. This method again is a recursive method, so it will return array list as a response. We can name it as remaining result, and whatever response we'll get from here, in that let's consider, we'll add first our base case. If current equal to end, that means if you reach at your location at the current last position, then we will create an array list. That will be our base result, and inside that we will add blank string. We'll add blank in string and then we will return this br. So let's consider, if you're starting with 0, then you will call this method with 1, then you will call with 2, like that. Once you reach at 3, that means your current value becomes 3, then we'll create a br and then we'll add blank. Once you get this as a remaining result, then we will loop over this array list string. We will take all the string from this and then we will add that in our main result. How we'll add it? Will you will We will add dice plus RRSS. So let's say if you have a blank, then first whatever dice, last dice we got, that we will add. Then before that whatever we add. It's like while building the stack, when you call a recursion, that time in first phase we will be building the stars stack, and while in second phase, that means that stack is falling, both the time we will be doing some logic. So while building the stack, we are not doing anything. We are trying to reach at the end of the recursion. That is this base case condition. We can name it as a base case. We will name it as a positive base case because sometimes we'll have some negative base case as well. That means where we don't have to consider that path. So that condition will be when current is greater than end. Whenever we are crossing that end number, let's say we got current value as 4, 5, 6, that path we have to discard. So how we'll discard it? We will create a array list here also, base result, and then inside this we will return a blank array list. We will not add anything. If it is a blank, then this for loop will be skipped and we will not add those path in our main result. If it contains something, then we will add our current dice into this remaining result. Like that, it will be included. There is something wrong. This is our positive and negative. Let's call this method and see what result we are getting. Get both current and end. There is something wrong in this code here. Br I have created array list, then I'm returning br. Here also same. Not sure why it is coming. delete this line first. Positive base case. If current equal to n, we'll create the same array list and we will add blank string here. So now it's working. Let's see, we got our result. So from 0, if you wanted to reach 3, we can reach with multiple ways. First one is if we get 3 ones, then 1 2, then 2 1, then 3. How this recursion will work? First, first we are starting with 0. Then first, let's say if we are getting 1, then if we get 2, then if we get 3 directly, then we will reach at the end. If we get 4, then this part, if you see, if from 0 if you are directly getting 4, then that is coming under our negative base case, and there we are not returning anything, we are returning blank array list. So this for loop will be skipped and we will not add anything in our main result. So this we can name as a negative base case. Once we reach at negative base case, after that whatever role we will get, that will also come as a negative base case. Let's consider here, if you consider 5 also, that will be also come as a negative base case. So we will not contribute anything here. Let's now, once we reach at 1, after that also we can have 6 possibility, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's consider from that, if we get 1, if we get 1, then that is fine. Same way, if we get 2, that is also fine. If we get 3, that will make total as 4. That means you are crossing and that is coming under negative base case. So this is also coming under negative base case. And after that, whatever you will add will come as a negative base case. So we don't have to like check those part. Here 1 and 2 is valid one, valid path. Same way, if you have from 0, if you have reached 2, then in 2 also we can get 1, then it's a valid, you are reaching to 3. Then if with 2 if you are getting again 2, then it is coming under negative base case. So we don't have to do anything here. After that we don't have to consider, because for all it will be coming under negative base case also. Here from 0 to 3, once you reach 3, we are adding a blank string in array list. It will return blank string and that dice will be added. So 3 will be added on our result. So this we can consider as a positive base case. From this we are reaching to positive base case. Same way, first we got 2, then we got 1. That also makes 3 and we will be reaching to positive base case. Same way, if we have first we got 1, then we got 2, then it makes 3 and then again it will come under positive base case. Same way, if you have 1, then we got 1, that makes 2. After that, if you get one more 1, then it will make to 3 and we will reach to positive base case. After this, if we try, if we get 2, then it will make 4, then we are reaching to negative base case. So you can see how many positive base case we got. First we got with 1 1 1, 3 times 1. That means 1 1 3. First we got, then first we got 1, then we got 2. That also reached to positive base case. So we can write 1 2, and then after that everything is negative. In case when we got 2, there also we have 1. So 2, 1. With 2, 1 also we are getting to positive base case. And after that, everything is negative. And with 3 also we are getting 1 positive base case. So that will be 3 only. So that's our result. And same we got in our response as well. Triple one, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. So that's all the possible path to reach from 0 to 3, and that we are returning as an array list. Time complexity of this algorithm is 6 to the power n, because we have 6 possibilities, and with each possibility there are other 6 ways to reach to the path. So time complexity will be, because 6 to the power n. So that's about this logic. Thank you for watching my video.